Hello everybody, so now I will show you how to answer. A. Use a calculator to graph D against T, so the range should be from 0 to 30. Here is about the graph of question A from 0 to number 30. Question B. What was the maximum height reached by the bond? So if we want to maximum height in here, we have s equals to negative b over 2a. So this one is about a, this one is about b, this one is about c. So b in this situation is about 3 over 5 over 2 multiplied by negative 1 over 50. And now we can get the final answer of S. So that should be about 15. Later that, after we have S, we can find about D. So we put number 15 going here. And we can find the maximum. That should be 11 over 2 meters. So that's it, the answer for B2I. If a fielder caught the ball when it was 2 meters above the ground, how far was the ball from where it was hit? So we have number 2, that's about the height in here. And we know that we can draw the line in here. So we need to find this intersection in here and this intersection in here. So we put this equation equals to number 2, so that we can find the solution of S to reach about the height of number 2. So we put number 2 go to the left, and we have one minus 2, we have negative number 1. And now we find the solution of S. So we have two solutions. That is about 15 plus 5 multiplied by the square root of number 7. And the second one, that's about 15 minus 5 multiplied by the square root of number 7. This one is about approximate 28.23. And this one, that is about 1.77. Now, question B, number 3. At what height was the ball when it was struck? So they want to say at the beginning. That means when S equal to number 0. So we put S equal to number 0 going here and here. We can find about D equals to number 1. And this is the answer of number 3. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.